Isha. Igbo fi marry Hausa girl, oh, na Isha. And Yoruba fi marry Igbo girl, oh, na Isha. Hausa fi marry Igbo girl, oh, na Isha.
Not be juju be that.
Wow.
Aisha. It was one like who is?
No, she's outer, like last born my uncle. So they brought her. She has bipolar disorder. She like
Is she mad?
I say she has bipolar disorder. She's not mad. She's my sister. She has complete happy, but she has sense. But have sense. If you sing for her, she will feel alright. You know everybody must she likes song. When I sing for you, I will feel alright. So we sing for her, she sleep like a baby that she is.
That thing comes to her.
Yeah, she has a multiple challenge. It will come, have like attack. You know, you people call it attack. Sometimes it come, but anytime it comes, you make sure that you song for her. Sweet song. Apart from Masala, if your voice she's like all these kind of man voice that she's not very good, she will scatter her brain. But you try to make your voice sweet like
Okay, wait though. If your voice is if your voice is not good, it will make the thing worse.
Yes, like you put fire in.
And she will attack the person.
Not really attack him, but she will not feel alright with the person.
Yeah.
She does not attack them.
Yeah, you know what? They
So
try.
you sing song for her.
They try.
When you love somebody and you will do what will make that person.
It's okay.
Let me go and collect something from my friend Umaira.
No, don't go anywhere. No go anywhere, please. No go anywhere.
I will come back now.
No go, please. I can't stay with you in this house now.
She's sleeping. All you need to do is not to make any noise. Her sleep she used to last for 10 hours, 20 hours.
Yeah.
Yes, I will come back.
Are you sure?
I will come back.
Are you sure?
What should I get for you? I get something for you. I'll come back.
Get for me, you got.
Take care of you.
Yeah, people call her at you myself. Aisha! 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 I thought say this girl will wake up. Sit down, let me sing for you. Sit down. I will sing. Aisha! Let me sing for you. Let me sing. We are the one. We are the children. Okay. I'll change my voice. I'll tell you that. We are the one. We are the. Okay, I'll change. Aisha, oh, I'll change my voice. Anyway. We are the one. We are the Aisha, is that Aisha that I'm seeing? Melia Kato.
What happened? I left you here in peace.
Hey.
What happened?
Aisha.
Where's Amina?
Maybe you say this girl can sleep for 10 hours, Aisha. I told you, don't leave me at this girl. Don't leave me at this girl. Papa, Aisha.
What happened to you?
The girl just woke up and started doing that thing. Started thinking. I was calling you. You were nowhere to be found. I remember you said that if you sing for her, she will come now. I was singing for her. You were shouting, Mary Akatu. What is a Mary Akatu? Before I know it, Nanyam, everything for my eye. She carry her finger, my eye, her teeth, my neck, everywhere. Mary Akatu. What is it, Mary Akatu?
Where is she? Amina.
Mary Akatu.
Amina.
Please don't call her here. Don't call her here. Bigo. Don't call her here. Hi, Mary Akatu.